Okay, so now we're ready to learn the next black key in the series, and we are looking today at the key of G sharp major. Now let's remember that all the black keys have two names, so this is known as G sharp. It's also known as A flat. And you're probably going to hear the term A flat more when you start playing songs and stuff, but this scale and chord is going to be called the G sharp major chord and scale, or the A flat chord and scale. Okay, so let's just start with the key of G sharp, and our scale goes like this: G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, and D sharp. Okay, once again, our notes in the G sharp major scale are G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, and D sharp. And so when you want to play it, you're going to finger it like this. Okay, and for sake of time, I just stopped posting the descending order like that. By now you should be able to figure out that you practice it up and down, okay? So now we can move on to the G sharp major chord, also known as A flat major chord. And again, it's always the first one, third one, fifth one in the scale will make up your chord. Okay, so the G sharp major chord is going to be G sharp, C, and D sharp. Okay, G sharp, C, and D sharp. And that makes up your chord. So when you practice it, you're going to go. That's called arpeggiating the chord, playing one note at a time. And then when you strike all three at the same time, that's the chord itself. Okay, so like I said, lessons are getting shorter now. We'll go through it from the top. Make sure you practice with both hands. I noticed that I left that out on the video, but you want to definitely practice with your left and your right hand. And once again from the top, we've got the G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, and D sharp. And then our chord is going to be G sharp, C, and D sharp. Remember, the name of this chord and scale is called G sharp major, or also known as A flat major chord and scale.